from start to finish, all you have to do is select a size of fry box and add in a quantity. And what it'll do is it'll pick up a basket, it'll auto load it with fries, it'll fry it for you, and then it'll dump it into the salt station.
Oh, those smell good already.
Definitely. It should go down, and it'll dump fries into the basket. It shakes it a little bit so that the basket, like whenever the fries dump in, they don't just stack on top of each other.
Yeah, that's really good.
And it'll shake it a little in the fryer, and then it'll set it down and let it cook.